Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. It's actually a pretty nice day outside today. It's a little bit cloudier than it was earlier, but nonetheless, 65 degrees, so a lot better than the 49-degree days we were having last week. What's going on? Jeffrey, first in the chat. All right, Jeffrey is not a name I get to mention first in the chat very often here. Jeffrey, glad to have you. Giovanni, Kai, Frank, Kai, Frank, Jeffrey, we got Frank, Jeffrey, Dark Bro, Frank, Jeffrey, Kombu, Jeffrey, Moji, Kombu, Dark Bro, Moji, Kombu, Jeffrey, Dark Bro, Moji. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. That's not the market, that is Elmo. That's the market right there. AMC finishing the day at $9.50, man. Those $10 puts on AMC would have finished at 50 cents today. That is absolutely insane to see, knowing that they were 2 cents. They were 2 cents earlier today, finishing the day at 50 cents. Absolutely wild. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 684, literally not ticking anywhere since this morning. Dead sideways all day long. Like, this is what it should look like. Dead sideways all day long today. 1 pip down, 1 pip up. 2 pips down, 2 pips up. We are sitting here in the most stagnant price action ever on Shiba Inu coin. And this is, I mean, that's just bad, guys. It's just bad. GameStop sitting at $14.92, down 1% on the day. Bitcoin, 26,779, a 0.10% gain, sorry. 10% would be nice if it was a 10% gain, but it's a 0.10% gain right there. Zoom back in on that a little bit. Yes. Zoom out there. All right. Coming on to the NASDAQ. Ooh, 1.23% loss on the NASDAQ, man. AMC 949. GameStop 14.92. 5.8 cents on Dogecoin. Ethereum sitting at 15.46. Shiba Inu coin 6.84. Bitcoin sitting at 26,780. The SPY sitting at 4.31. QQQ 3.65. Mullen Auto sitting at 39 cents. I'm pretty sure Mullen Auto touched an all-time low today. Yes, 38.70. 38.70. All-time low hit on Mullen Auto today. Absolutely wild action, guys. This stock continues to deteriorate, literally on a daily basis. Watch out for Mullen Auto if you got it. Sundial sitting at $1.55. Netflix $3.55. Highcraft Mining 29 cents. MPW $4.97. Man, things are looking tough for the market right now. MPW coming back down, getting ready to test these all-time, not all-time. They're not all-time lows, right? No. These recent. Got to go all the way back. Got to go all the way back to 2012 before MPW was at these levels. Dude, if MPW dropped to $1, could you imagine? Oh my goodness. Could you imagine the dividend on this? If MPW dropped to $1 and you were still receiving a dividend, this dividend was 15 cents a share right there. Dude, imagine picking it up for $1 a share and ripping 15 cents in perpetuity, essentially. The previous dividends were even better, I think. Yeah, 30 cents, man. The previous dividends were even better. So, MPW, keep it on your watch list. See what goes on there. Tesla, crucial action on Tesla right here. Please watch this. Watch out. Okay? Tesla might see another down day on Monday, but it may have bounced off today. Just be aware that this is the ascending trend line that is held up beautifully for Tesla throughout all of 2023. If Tesla falls below this line here, watch out. If it maintains this line, it could be coming back to the upside. So please just be aware of that daily graph on Tesla. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of a trade. Joby sitting at 622 and TMC 87 cents. A recent low on TMC after a 2.5% decline today. We're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen and jumping back into the chat right now. I was a weekend warrior for 3 years after a 4-year stint. I don't know what we're talking about there, but very nice, Moji. Successful delivery of the little one today. Now the work begins. She's in the NICU. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what? Perfect. Dark Bro, man. I went to the store earlier today in between the lives, dude. And I just... look, man. I was looking out for you on the way to the store, man, and I'm very, very grateful for the testimony right there, so thank you very much for letting us know. delivering babies on the side. What can you do? Dark Bro, man, making it happen. Don't leave us waiting. I'll never leave you waiting. No, I believe it's Kombu. I believe it's his, it would be your what? Niece or nephew there, Dark Bro? Witness protection? Just might be. Dark Bro must be typing a whole paragraph. No. It was his sister-in-law, I believe, that was doing it. So it's not going to be a little dark bat or anything like that. If you guys missed the live stream earlier, I guess his sister-in-law was having some complications, and things seem to be going okay at the moment, which is excellent. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for letting us know on that one. And yeah, I mean, it's not my place to tell your story, so if you want to tell your story, Dark Bro, absolutely let the people in on it. But I just don't want anybody thinking Dark Bro's got a kid out there right now. I mean, he does, but not necessarily another one that was delivered today. Pika Power, what's going on, Pika? Glad to have you in here. Uh-oh, watch out, man. She's scaring people. Pika's coming in scaring people. Moji, don't be scared. It's all right. Yeah, J-Bones. To that one. To everyone. Moji, my sister-in-law was at the doctor's. Hopping back and forth between the live and talking with her. So no, bro. Just having multiple conversations, long story short. Very good deal, Dark Bro. Be with your family, dude. Be with your family. All the bros are with you in the family right now, man. MAF Orb. Bro fam. What's going on? We can read. We got dyslexia too, Gorilla. It's okay. We can read backwards, man. No issues there. Sister-in-law baby had complications in the womb. She was told she was gonna, tie bomb birth. Well, I'm glad that didn't happen, man. That'd be insane. But she's okay right now. Thanks, Clay Bro, for looking out. Absolutely, man. And you know what I mean. I don't want to dive too far into it, but you're good. Bender, what's going on, Bender? Glad to have you in here, man. For the little one, Dark Bro, absolutely, Kombu. Good deal, guys. Good deal. I did want to look up Ripple today. We haven't seen Ripple at all today, and I wanted to look up Ripple. And not Elmo, no. XRP, where's X? Big Time is trending. Who brought up Big Time the other day? Oh, didn't one of you guys bring up Big Time yesterday? 30% decline today, man. Wow. 30% decline today, but still up 193%. Wow. Now, this is a little bit of an issue for me. Only 3% of the supply outstanding. I did not see this the last time we looked at Big Time here. So, only 3% of the supply is circulating. I would say that should be a concern, that only 3% circulating there. So, not exactly sure why it's so low. But, man, Big Time down 30%, 32% on the day today. Coming down from 26 cents just over the last, couple hours. 3 hours here, dropping 30% from 26 down, or this is 20% from here, 30% from here. Wow, dude, that's a pretty big decline on Big Time. That was Click Clay. Nice. Absolutely, Gorilla. No issues on that one, dude. I can read forwards, I can read backwards. I can do it all, man. Moji, she has bone structure development issues, so no idea. It's going to be quite of a problem. Hey, and you know what? It might be Dark Bro, but you guys are going to be able to get through it. I love it, man. Big Time is a song by PG. I don't know the song, man. I don't know the song. Forgot it's Friday. Skip the company gathering today. Too friggin' cold. Very nice, Chris. Dude, it's not even that cold here. Chris, don't tell me that you guys are sending some cold weather my way. It's 65 degrees and cloudy. It's really not that bad out. But if you're sending some cold weather my way, keep it, Chris. I don't want it. I don't want it, man. And thank you very much for coming into the live stream. It is Friday already, dude. Doc's still trying to figure it out. They'll get it done, Dark Bro. TG Casino. TG Casino, what does that mean? Mucha mija Pikachu. Yes. George, if you just subscribed, thank you very much. For some reason, YouTube unsubscribed 100 people over the last 48 hours now, and I have no idea why they did that. I know these people did not click the unsubscribe button, so double check, make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please click it. If you don't want to subscribe, please click it anyway. It doesn't hurt you, and it helps me, so do it. I was watching a video that was talking about many countries leaving the dollar and want the dollar to collapse. Many large countries investing in Bitcoin. Yeah, Giovanni, so I have no idea. You know, they might want the dollar to collapse because the dollar is in charge of the world and the dollar runs the world and people hate it when something is successful and all of that. but there are a lot of BRIC countries. You got Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Those are the BRICS countries. And, you know, look, like it or not, a lot of their trade is denominated in dollars because their currencies are so volatile that when they trade with each other, it's just easier to denominate everything in US dollars because the US dollars is basically a world reserve currency, and that's how they do business. It's got its benefits and it's got its downfalls. Clearly, you know, they're not doing business in their home currency. So one of the things that they want to do, or one of the things that they're talking about doing, is dropping the dollar in terms of their international trade and using a BRICS currency. I'll say this. Why not? Well, you know, why do they have to use the dollar? It's not even their country. Have a little pride, man. Get a more stable currency and use that. Denominate your trade in your currency. Especially, you know, for example, if Brazil's trading with Russia, right? And they use the dollar. Why would the dollar even be a topic of conversation when Brazil is trading with Russia? It shouldn't be. So I'm okay if they do that. I will say this. It is clearly not going to destroy the dollar. The dollar may have less demand, but it's not going to destroy the dollar if they decide to use a BRIC, use a new currency, whatever they can come up with there. It's not going to destroy the dollar. It might weaken it, but you are not going to take the dollar out, dude. Dollar is king. I don't care if you guys agree or disagree with that one. It's true. Dollar's king right now. We know Clay reads backwards because everything he shows us from his camera is backwards. It's true, dude. Can you read athlete right there? That's backwards as well. It's crazy, Kai, but I can do it, and I can do it fast. Rain. Oh, my gosh, dude. 47. Is it 47 degrees right now? Jeez, dude. Oh, it's about to be snowing, Kai. Hearing about pre-sale on TG Casino. Man, you guys got a lot of pre-sales. Does TG Casino show up? It's not. Man, you guys got a lot of pre-sales. TG Casino could be another one if you guys are into it. Let's come out to XRP is what I wanted to click on here. There you go. 48 cents on XRP. Bouncing back and forth between 48 and 48.3 today. Not doing too much. I am not subbed. Oh my gosh. Now I know why Roulette Wheel never gets a green name. Roulette Wheel is not actually even subscribed to my channel. This dude, man. About to catch a permaban. That's what's about to happen. 566% APY currently. Bender on TG Casino. Whoo. That's unsustainable, just to let you know, man. Clay, don't say that, Clay. Fed will come for you. I don't want the Fed to come for me. Feds, don't come for me, please. Yes, what you were talking about is what the video was talking about. Gotcha, Giovanni. I'm not worried about it, but I do believe they should probably do it. I mean, they probably should. Why is Bitcoin not showing any upward or downward action? ER, my best guess as to why we're not seeing any major upside or downside action on Bitcoin is because we're not seeing the type of buying pressure or selling pressure that typically moves Bitcoin. So if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, it's been sideways, and the hourly chart for the last 2 days here has been very, 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 very stagnant. Trading in basically a $300 to $400 range here. Very tight channel between lows around 26.6 and highs around 26.9. So it is a very tight channel, and I just don't think we have the amount of sells to drive it down. We don't have the amount of buys to drive it back up. Moji, 23 months of bro. Dude, next month this guy's turning a blue skull. Catching up with Fabio. Ooh, yes. Gonna give him a beat down this weekend, though. Happy to be a member of the great family. Thanks for all you do, Clay. Moji, seriously. Number one, thank you for keeping that green name for nearly 2 full years now. I thank you guys for everything you do. Honestly, man, you know, if nobody wanted to show up, if nobody wanted to hang out, talk, discuss what's going on, we wouldn't be here. So I am very grateful for everybody that does show up, everybody that is committed to making the bros the greatest in the world, and you guys do it on a daily basis. So Moji, thank you for it. Bro, why no sub? That's straight up blasphemy. It is, man. It is, but at least now we know why Roulette Wheel never gets a green name. He's got his gift receiving enabled. He's just not subscribed to the channel. 23 Mo's, nice, Moji. Yeah, 23 Mo's is very nice, Moji. Almost 2 years, Moji. Heck yeah. I can't wait till these say like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. It's going to be amazing. Because could you imagine when it does say 4 years? Dude, we're sitting in another major bull market run. Everything's up 20, 30x. And we're all just straight balling in the cryptocurrencies that we've been balling on, like crying, bawling our eyes out on for the last 4 years when that bull market comes. Yeah, it's going to be nice, guys. It's been dropping pretty consistently. I got in when it was over 700%, and it's only been 4 days. Yeah, so Bender. I don't exactly know what TG Casino does, but the more people you have buying in, the lower your rewards are going to be. The more people that lock up, the lower those rewards are going to be. So it's very enticing when it does that. It's specifically meant to get people to either, lock up their coins, buy the pre-sale, or whatever they got to do by advertising those unsustainable massive returns. And then when everybody does and all of the coins become unlocked, falls off a cliff, and you're sitting there holding the coin. So please, if you are locked up, just be aware that it's a very high possibility that those APYs drop down drastically as tokens become unlocked. Libro made some gains using sideways Bitcoin action. Just use the RSI and the MAC lows and highs forming for the trade. Yeah, there's no problems with making some sideways action either, dude. If you are sitting here and you're looking at the channel that's formed here, you can take advantage of the sideways action. If you're using the relative strength index or whatever you're using, moving average crossovers, whatever your bread and butter is, you've absolutely got some opportunity to trade in between this channel right here. So PS5 is dead on with that one. You can still make money even though it's trending pretty much sideways here. We're just here for the chats. Kai, I believe it, dude. I believe it. Go boo! We got ourselves a Moji with the King Cow, baby. Kombu, man, thank you very much for the King Cow, for none other than Moji. Is it appropriate to call him Mooji in that one right there? I think it is. Absolutely. Kombu, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. And Moji, that one was for you. 396 puts bought in at 10.14, sold for $1.09, sold at not 132 for golly bomb, dude, for 5.10. This dude is sitting on another 5x gain today. Holy smokes. Absolutely killed it today. Bronson killed it yesterday, killed it today. You never stop killing it, dude. Sitting at these levels here, bought those puts, right? What did he say? 10 what? 10.14 and out at 132. 10. Ooh, dude, that was a nice, yeah. That would have been a nice entry. 10.13. Boom. Watching that bad boy fall right there. 132. Not this dude. Bronson, you're gonna make me extremely skeptical here. Hold on. I'm not going to ask for proof again. Because he proved it yesterday. And unless the dude's over there faking screenshots. Bronson, weren't you supposed to tell me about this today? Weren't you supposed to tell me about... I thought we were going to be put bros. Dude. I thought you were supposed to tell me about this. Look at this, would you? I know this dude ain't fake newsing me. Because he wasn't fake newsing me yesterday. But would you please understand the beauty of what this man is telling you right now? Excellent entry here. 10 whatever. Still, in this area, as it's falling, great. Fell through. This, and I don't know if that's the exact number or not. fell through. This is the thing of absolute beauty here. Dude tells me he got out at 132, right? Is that what he said? 132. Would you look at this? 1332 right here. He got not on the last or the lowest tick of the day, but on the absolute bottom. Look at this right here. This was the last red candle. Not 133. He didn't get out as it turned green. Got out on the last red candle. Starts to bounce back. Okay, who cares if it wicked down and it touched an extra cent lower. Dude gets down on the absolute last red candle of the entire day. Bronson, you get some sort of an 8-ball that nobody knows about here? This dude literally taking 100% of the daily gains on that trade. ER! You got yourselves a... Work. 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 ER, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. We're doing work right now, and you know it, man. J-Bones! Thank you very much for the super chat. Mosif. You'll never catch Fabio Jones, baby. We got ourselves a... Ooh. Your team's gonna get spanked, brah. Ooh. Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the super chat. And I don't know, man. Moji, is your team gonna get spanked? You're gonna get Ghost Cow Turkey spanked? What's gonna happen? Moji, I need to know. Is there an answer to that? I think you might just be taking it. J-Bones, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Moji, it's official. I guess it came over in a super chat, so I guess your team has to get spanked this weekend. I do it because I knew you'd say it. Oh, my gosh. Bronson, I'm telling you right now, if you do not let me in on the next insider trade that you make, I'm going to be upset. I'm going to be upset, dude. You cannot sit here and own the market and make 100% perfect trades like that and not let me in on it, dude. Is today a big day for Bitcoin regarding BlackRock, security, and ETFs? Possibly, ER, possibly. Now, I would say it's not necessarily a big day for BlackRock, per se, but from what somebody told me earlier, today they should decide whether or not the grayscale Bitcoin ETF can go through. I don't know what time they have to make that announcement by. I don't know if it's going to be positive or if it's going to be negative, but somebody said that today is the deadline for the SEC to inform the court as to whether or not the Bitcoin spot ETF from Grayscale is approved or denied. That doesn't necessarily mean that one from BlackRock would be approved or denied. But it clearly, dude, if they approve a Grayscale ETF, they're very likely to... Look at that right there. What? What? Oh, he's gonna get a green name now. This is gonna be the best. This is gonna be the best day ever. Look at that green name right there. Look at that green name right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna happen, man. It's gonna happen. He's gonna get a green name now. Oh no. Yes. No. I clicked it. I clicked it twice there. Roulette wheel. It's an absolute pleasure to have you, man. Moji says it's mine. Oh, he did not. It did not go to roulette wheel. It went to Aiden. Aiden, man, congratulations on getting that green name. Moji, dude, thank you very much for sending that green name out there. Aiden, if you're in here, man, please say thanks to Moji. If not, Moji, man, thank you very much for throwing that green name out there. Oh, I cannot believe that Roulette Wheel finally clicked the subscribe button. It's only been like a 3-year battle to get that dude to subscribe, and here we are, absolutely ripping it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Shiba Inu coin. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything so stagnant in my life. Terrible price action on Shib there. Moji throwing 5 out there. Bender got a green name. Gorilla got a green name. Jason got a green name. Now I am convinced he's got it turned off. Gen G got a green name. And Southpaw Slinger got a green name right there. Moji, dude, thank you very much for the 5 green names. All right. Roulette wheel, now we know. Now we know that you don't have gift receiving enabled either. Otherwise, you'd be green for sure. This dude wasn't even subscribed. This dude literally wasn't even subscribed to the channel. And he's in here every single day hanging out with us. Roulette wheel, thank you for finally clicking that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, man. And you can turn the notifications off. I'm completely cool with that. Doesn't matter. I know you're going to be in here anyway, but boom, baby, hitting that subscribe button for the very first time should encourage everybody else to make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. Bender grabbing it, Gorilla grabbing it, Jason grabbing it, Gen G grabbing it, Southpaw Slinger grabbing it, all of you guys, man, loving it right now. Bender saying thanks. Next level, yes, dude, it's crazy, isn't it? Cheers, Moji. Hope golf game is going well. Congrats on 23, Mosif. A huge congrats on that 23, and a huge congrats to everybody else who just grabbed a green name right there. Timmy grabbing an 18-month member chat right now. Tim, dude, thank you very much for that member chat. It says, it doesn't seem like 18 months. Time flies when you're a bro. Time does fly when you're a bro, man. It's crazy that some of you guys are 18 months. You got 27 months out there. Literally. Time does fly when you're just enjoying your days and building up a huge community. So a shout out to everybody who keeps these green names. Shout out to all of you guys for making this chat like literally the most inspiring and best chat on the internet, dude. ER says, if the approval goes through today, when can we expect price moving to the upside? Well, ER, so I'll say it'll happen twofold, okay? Hey, why is CEI moving? It's not an oil. I don't know, Night Cow. I haven't looked at CEI in a long time. I'll take a look at CEI in a second here. I want to say this. If the approval goes through, ER, I would imagine we get a very nice bump to the upside almost immediately, okay? People are going to be celebrating the news that the ETF would go through, or yeah, the Bitcoin spot ETF would go through. And then I think you get another bump as soon as actual money begins to flow in. So you're going to have the news and the excitement driving the price higher, and then you can have actual dollars flowing in that's going to be driving the price higher over the long term. But I would imagine you're going to see a reaction almost immediately, whether it's approved or denied. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank says, torture time, baby. Oh, yeah. You think it's torture, Frank, don't you? Thank you for the rose. 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 Frank, man. Thank you for the rose. That was torture for all of you guys because I know how it feels watching it. It doesn't feel bad at all doing it. But I know how bad it feels watching that right there. Frank, dude, thank you very much. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Frank, thank you. Seriously, thank you very much for the rose. And I know for a fact TikTok is promoting that content like crazy. I really do want to try it. I want to go on there. I might end up with like 6,000 people watching. I've seen some dudes on there doing it, and they got massive people in their lives. Dude, if you think that I won't say thank you for the rose and just like shake my body back and forth for a minute, it's torture for you, Frank, not torture for me. Timmy, 5 green names coming, and Roulette Wheel didn't pick up a single one. Manager got a green name. Gone Postal got a green name. Sean got a green name. Gary got a green name. Chris got a green name. Man, we got 11 green names coming in the chat today. Tim, man, thank you very much. Moji, thank you very much. You guys are absolutely killing it. Everybody grabbing a green one for the weekend. Loving it right now. If you guys just got a green name, please say thank you to Tim. If you did not thank Moji earlier, please thank Moji for sending those green names out there. Absolutely loving it, guys. Thank you very much for building all of these green names back up. Hey, bro, remember the gummy bear? I even have that recorded saved for the legends later. Not financial advice. Well, I can't play it. I don't have a setting hooked up to just a computer video right here, but I do. I have that. It's still saved on my computer as well. Now, it's on YouTube, obviously, if you want to watch the whole thing, but I do have clips on the computer here that I could play as well. Dude, that gummy bear was horrible, PS5. Every time I see that stupid word, I just want to go club... What word? Membership? Broversary? Igno? Which one we talking about, Pudgy? Don't go club a baby seal. Hey, bro, fam, love y'all. Emma D, it has been forever. Emma, where have you been? Emma, I'm asking, where have you been? You can't just be disappearing on us like that. You're part of the bros. We need you in here. The bros aren't the same when people are gone. Emma D, I want my wrench. Bronson wants that wrench. Bronson says, Emma, if you're not... Yeah, he says, come and get it. Bronson, go get it, man. Go get it. I want to see this happen. If he was a chick, that'd be 6K content. Facts on that. But since I'm a dude, I would probably get 600 people watching me go, thank you for the rose. Frank, thank you for the rose. 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 Yeah, dude, I know what they do on there. It's absolutely insane. It literally pains me to watch that. But it's kind of funny doing it. So, thank you for the rose. You know what time it is. Add me, baby. Ooh, I got you. Let's go, me. You guys are going to get hit with an ad right now. Let's see. I clicked this. 12 likes. Guys, click the like button. What the heck are you doing? And let me know if you skipped the first ad, if you skipped the second ad. Yo, Frank throwing out that green name there. And let's go, me, grabbing that green name. Hey, let's go, me. I'm glad you got that green name, dude. YouTube hates me. Yeah, roulette wheel, you still got it turned off, man. You still got it turned off. I see what game you're playing, but I like it, dude. But this Chris has a blue name, baby. Facts on that, Chris. Keep that blue name. Yeah. That Chris does have a blue name. Moji's my dude. Everybody's my dude in here. Clibro, look at Shib. You want me to buy another few bucks for a candle? I want somebody to buy a few bucks for a candle wick. Shib is like so dead right now. It isn't even funny. I don't even want to look at it. Like, why would you buy Shib if it looks like this? Why would you buy that? Why would you buy that at all? Frank, man, seriously, thank you again for that green name right there. We got green names up at the top of the screen. Frank throwing out, Tim throwing out, Moji throwing out. Appreciate all of you guys for throwing those green names out. And once again, Roulette Wheel is the only gray name in the chat. Oh my gosh. Night Cow, I clicked it. If you didn't get an ad, YouTube doesn't like you, man. You're not viewed as a consumer. I did click the ad button already, though. I did click the ad button, right? Now, I don't know if I just looked at the likes or... Did you guys get an ad? I really don't even know if I clicked the ad button now. Frank, dude, listen. You're not poor, okay? If you guys don't even send a super chat ever, you're not poor. Like, don't even bring that nonsense in here, man. Nobody cares about sending supers and any of that stuff. Do it if you want. Don't do it if you don't want to. All right, so I did click the ad button because Old Rounder got 2 ads right there. Giovanni got an ad. Football. All right, I clicked it. I mean, guys, if we're going to be honest with each other, I guess that Frank's not poor. Night Cow's probably the one that might not be buying too much. He doesn't even get hit with an ad when I click give him an ad. YouTube doesn't even view this guy as a consumer. No, think about how bad you got to be to not meet any of the criteria for advertisers. I don't know what Night Cow's, search history is or his demographics or any of that stuff, but he did not show up in any of the criterias to be shown an ad right there. Oh, Night Cow. Oh, how it must be to not be wanted by advertisers. It's a pretty sad thing, Night Cow. When you're not even wanted for advertisers to advertise to. Oh, boy. I'm sorry, Night Cow. I got to make fun of you a little bit, dude, because if you don't even meet the criteria for all of the advertisers on YouTube, that might be pretty bad, man. Dark Bro, you already know we speak the same language, going down the slippery slope of flat earth at the moment. Oh, gosh, dude. Just walk right off the edge. Oh, man. I'll leave and come back. There you go, Night Cow. See if it worked that time. There we go. Got one. All right. As long as... I was worried for a second that advertisers didn't even want Night Cow. But apparently somebody does. Night Cow, what kind of an ad did you get? ER! Thank you very much for the super chat. ER says, how can we find out how many Shibs are burned daily or monthly? Is there a website? Yes, there's absolutely a website, man. Shib Burn is an excellent community member that has been running this website for years now. I don't know exactly when he started it. So it is shibburn.com. SHIBBURN.com. And this is the website here. I might have to update or refresh it. But over the last 24 hours, $56 million has been traded in Shiba Inu coin. The total market cap right now is $4,028,941,942. And these are all of the latest burn transactions. 20 minutes ago, somebody sent 20,000 Shib to the burn wallet. 2 hours ago, somebody sent 22,000 Shib to the burn wallet. Those are very low numbers, guys. But nonetheless, they sent that. 2 hours ago, somebody sent what? $70 worth of Shiba Inu coin. 10.6 million Shib to the burn wallet. 8 hours ago, somebody sent 830,000, 30,000, 55,000, 420. Somebody burned 420 Shib. 547, 553, less than one. Holy smokes, can you guys see that? Less than one. Somebody sent less than one Shib to the burn wallet. That is nuts. Because that's still an Ethereum transaction. Somebody sent less than one Shib. That's actually funny. To the burn wallet. Let's see. You can go on to view more if you want to view more transactions. If you click on burns, no, close that. You can see all of the transactions here that have come across. Homepage, let's see. That's where I was, right? Yeah. You can see the totals that have been burnt right here. They got all sorts, man. So you can see the Shibarium tracker if you want to come on and look at what's going on with Shibarium. They also track this. We've had 3.2 million total transactions, and we currently need 5.6 quadrillion transactions to reach our very first burn for Shibarium. So yeah, Shibburn does an excellent job of keeping track of all of this stuff there. The burn rate over the last 24 hours, we have seen 23 million Shib burned over the last 24 hours. That's 64% less than the previous 24-hour period. But yeah, man, he does a pretty good job of keeping track of all of the burns that are sent to the burn wallet for Shib. PS5, is that your candle? Dead serious, is that your candle? Clay, I think Baby Doge got hot sauce in my eye. Oh my gosh, that hurts. Oh my, what? How did I miss this one? Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika says, wish I could stay. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. And we got ourselves a... Ooh, emoji! Ooh, moji. I can't even do it. I feel like I'm just whispering in emoji's ear right now since I'm right on the microphone like that, and it makes me feel a little weird doing it. But ooh, moji. I can't do the whisper part. Moji, man, you got yourself a king ghost right there. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. I do wish you could stay as well, but if you got to get off to class, if you got to get back to work, or whatever you're doing right there, I do hope that you enjoy your entire weekend. And of course, I hope that you make it the best weekend ever. That's a bad trial, sending under one Shib. Yeah, that's funny though. Sending one Shib is actually pretty funny. Where are we going? Hey, Amity, doing well? Miss you. We do miss you. Emma, stay with us. Less than one Shib burned. That was from Scambarium. The game, Wellies, Rockstar, or the luggage company. All of them added together. It was all of them added together. They came out in good faith, and they sent something to the burn wallet, I would imagine, Tim. They came together, they pooled their assets, and they were able to send, finally, to the burn wallet. I've been waiting for it. Emma, slacker, we need some deep thoughts. We do, Emma. We really do. For real, Baby Doge will be more successful than Shib, faster transaction, faster process, faster burning. I think later when Baby Doge will be listed on bigger exchanges, it will skyrocket. Hey, manager, it is an absolute possibility, right? And one of the things that could really make Baby Doge fly is if people do end up getting tired of Shiba Inu coin and they pull out of one meme coin and go into another meme coin. That is an absolute possibility, except me, Pika, who borrows a wrench and doesn't return it. Janie is going to help us butcher cows for the first time tomorrow morning from a gunshot. I don't even know if I can read that stuff, Pudgy. And hang it for 3 weeks, and we're going to cut it down. Well, you know what? Very nice, Pudgy. Very nice. Raise that kid up right, but I actually really don't know if I can read all of that stuff because YouTube doesn't like that word. It is true. Like, you have to... Showing it is not acceptable. You can't even put ads on your video if you show real or fake ones. I don't know how they are if you just mention that word there. So, read Pudgy. Read what Pudgy said. What's your post schedule? The famous ones. You talking about me or you talking about Emma? She didn't borrow. She done stole it. Bronson, you're the goat of all trades. Bearish times and we gains, baby. Hey, Bronson is the goat of all trades. I have no idea how. This dude has hit 2 literal perfect trades in a row, but he's done it, man. Roth long-term retirement portfolio closed down 1.5% today. Darn, Frank. Today's top 3, a BP, number 1, or top 3, for the 3rd time this week. Very nice. JP Mo. And Zomo. What is Zomo? That's Exxon Mobil, right? The Zomo's the yield max for Exxon. Frank, very nicely done. The overall market was down just as much. So, dude, you're playing right alongside the market there. You're gonna have good days, you're gonna have bad days, but right alongside the market is not bad at all. It's better than being fully invested in AMC and watching your stuff move down. What was it? 12% today. 13.5% today would have been your loss if you were at 100% in AMC. BlackRock is not planning on only using Bitcoin for ETF and security, right? What are the cryptos? So Giovanni, I would say this, dude. No. Grayscale is not only planning on doing Bitcoin either, but that's what everybody's focused on getting approved first right now. So Bitcoin seems to be their best chance at first approval. And of course, I do believe that they will eventually get a spot Bitcoin ETF, but nobody else is talking. I've said it several times. Nobody else is talking about altcoin ETFs. But think about it. The same way you can go in right now and buy an ETF that covers Apple and Facebook and Google and Amazon, you know, the FANG stocks that are out there. Same way you can buy an ETF that covers the FANGs. You'll be able to buy an ETF that covers a multitude of cryptocurrencies. You can buy an ETF that covers an entire industry or a sector or a region and so on. I can guarantee you, once the Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, we're going to be seeing altcoin ETFs as well. You will have ETFs that allow you to invest in meme coins. You will have ETFs that allow you to invest in AI coins, in gaming tokens, in payment processors, so on. You know, you'll have exposure to Stellar Lumens and maybe Terra Luna Classic. I don't know if Terra Luna Classic will make the cut where that it's at right now, but Lumens and Ripple and so on. There's going to be different genres and different sectors for ETFs in the crypto space as well. There's just money to be made there, man, and it's going to be a decent way to diversify over the crypto space. But we don't have a lot of talk about that yet, because they're first focused on getting their Bitcoin ETF approval. Have a good weekend, Clay Ambrose. Boom! Dabbing on them as always. Crypto Rocketeer, you as well, man. Enjoy your weekend. Hopefully all of you guys are going to have a very good weekend. You, bro. The famous ones. You, bro. Today's trade was bigger than yesterday's. But then again, it's all off $63 PS5. Yeah, so I don't know, Bronson, I don't know if you sent me your trade today. Maybe he did. Golly bum, dude. I can't believe this, dude. I seriously can't believe this guy, man. This dude's a stinking savage. I'm telling you that right now. This dude's an absolute savage. Bronson. Don't lose it on Monday. All right? We know that that's a possibility. Don't go and lose it on Monday. But phenomenal job, dude. Phenomenal job. Seriously. Amazing job. I literally can't believe this, dude. If you guys were anybody else, like if you were just some random dude, I'd be like, okay. Yeah. This dude's just sitting here fake news and trying to get people to follow him or something. No, Bronson's absolutely killing it on these trades, guys. I mean, unless this dude is like sick in the head and he's sending me screenshots of his Photoshop, then yeah, he's absolutely killing it. Bronson, amazing. Does CoinMarketCap reflect the Shib burn? ER, yes, but it might not necessarily be like updated on a regular basis. I don't know how CoinMarketCap updates their circulating supply. Clear, bro, talk louder. I need to start the chip, bro. Go, boo. I'm not going to yell into the mic. I'm already peaking. I already see the audio spiking into the red, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to talk any louder. Turn your headphones up. I did see an article where they included Dogecoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and others for the ETF. Yeah, Giovanni, I would imagine. Where farming? Probably down. Ooh, farming up 2% today. All right. $1.53. You guys are making some serious money in farming. 2%. Look at all the trades today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades today. That is pathetic, dude. Oh my gosh. 9 trades went through on Farmy today. That's as bad as Shiba Inu Coin. Pika power! Pika, we got ourselves a... Hold on. Victor! Oh, hold on. I gotta go bigger screen, too. Got this one. Pika. Victory! Victory! Hold on. Victory! Pika, this one's for you. Victory! One more. Victory! Pika, thank you very much for the super chat and the beautiful victory that we've got going on right now. Absolutely love it. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat victory right there. Oh my gosh, Moji Cliff. Gibbs is out. You gotta get a player off waiver to replace him. What do you mean off waiver? Moji, I don't even know what that means, man. I gotta get a player off waiver. Dude, if you guys are gonna force me to do some like free agent stuff, I have no idea how to do that. Hey, for Bear Tire Kicker Bronson right there. We got ourselves a victory for Bronson for sure on that one. Dude, Bronson absolutely. Bronson needs to start his own Discord, man, and charge like $6,000 a month for it. Why does your Shiba chart look so different from all of mine? I don't know if you're on the minute chart, Giovanni. If you're on Weeble, your chart should look just like this Shiba Inu coin chart here. If you're on CoinMarketCap and you pull up Shib, right? The 24-hour chart, the line chart is going to look a little different, okay? But if you go into TradingView and you've got your candles as opposed to the line chart, and this is the daily, break it down to the 1 minute right here. This is what it looks like, dude. This is the 1 minute chart. And this is just ticking around between probably the bid and the ask right here. So that's why you'd be seeing, I mean, put it in perspective. It looks the same, right? Just these are showing bodies on the candles because it might be bouncing between a bid and an ask or something right here. And then you got a little bit of action on the right-hand side of the screen. But if you look at that, dude, you just might not be seeing the bid and the ask. It's just showing you the stagnant price for Shib on Weeble here. But yeah, if you're looking at the minute chart, dude, it's just straight barcoding. Horrible action. Horrible price action on Shiba Inu coin right now. Literally nothing. Just barcode price. Ugh, dude, it's horrible. So I guess it depends on where you're looking. Because like I say, if you're looking straight up on CoinMarketCap, just the line chart actually looks okay. The line chart looks fine. But the candlesticks look horrible on Shiba Inu coin. Pika dabbing on the dollars, baby. Oh, yes. Pika throwing that victory dance out for Bronson, who seriously had a major victory today. Congratulations, Bronson. Please, 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 please don't lose it on Monday. But if you could do it again on Monday, dude, if he could do it again on Monday, this dude's going to be buying a house over next weekend. That's a fact. Hey, bro, can't read that fast. I cannot. One person won the lottery, $1.7 billion here in California. Giovanna, the question is, was it you? Mitch 2 Peak, life's coming in fast and hot these days. It really is, Emma. Life is coming in hot right now. One day, you will pull the muscle. Night Cow. And until that day happens, I will continue to go... Victory! Thank you very much once again, Pika, for the super chat. We ain't pulling no muscles anytime soon, Night Cow. Waiver wire. Use your $200. Dude, what? What is a waiver wire? $200. What is happening right now? Oh, wait. Free agent pickup. Whatever that means, too. I don't even know how to do it. Don't listen to Mo. At least not this week. Bronson, are you trying to beat me? Yeah, confusing the man. Don't listen. Don't confuse me and don't beat me. If you want to beat me, man, everybody that I've played against so far would have lost if I just would have known how to play the game. First week, I got my lineup was completely screwed up. Second week, I had a guy out of the sitting on the bench. Mo G, I got two guys sitting on the bench against Mo G. I may have had like one legitimate loss. Bronson. Whoa, what's happening in Bitcoin right here? Did we just get the ETF approval? Wowza. Hold on. The heck is this? Do you guys see anything? I don't have any headlines just yet. I don't have any headlines just yet, guys. These are 8 hours. I don't know. You might see some stuff on Twitter. Yeah, I mean, this looks like it's going to be ETF approval here. And this is exactly what we were talking about, but I don't have a headline just yet, but if you guys got one, pull it up. I don't think Google's going to be posting much. I don't think I'm going to be seeing too much here on Google, so you're probably going to get something. You're probably going to see some better results on X. Alright, so this is what I got right now that I see posted 2 minutes ago. These are automated tweets here. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will not be appealing the court decision on Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. However, the decision, right, was that they have to give a reason for denying the Bitcoin spot ETF, right? Okay, so let's see here. Only 5 hours left for the SEC before the deadline to appeal Grayscale's court win and convert its trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. If the SEC doesn't appeal, All Bitcoin spot ETFs are essentially guaranteed to be approved. Okay, so they have not yet been approved. That's the best that I can get from it. But the SEC has not yet appealed the decision, or has not appealed the decision. So they haven't approved them yet, but it doesn't seem as though that they're going to have an issue. So that's basically what we're looking at right here. Okay. $2.7 million per coin? Yeah, dude, okay. Yeah. This dude's kind of right here. Look, this chart. This kid posts, like, just the craziest stuff. This is wrong. Going all the way up to $84,000. But that's what the candle looked like on there, man. So it does seem as though you've got no appeal in terms of Bitcoin spot ETF, but it does not mean that it's going to get approved. So Shiba Inu coin actually jumping back up to 693 right there. Not bad. We want to see some better gains on that. But Bitcoin actually looking pretty good at the moment. We want gains. We want gains. We want gains. Hopefully everything does end up getting approved and it looks good. Bitcoin going up. Did something pass? So Giovanni, I think it was you that was asking about it a minute ago, right? This seems to be the initial reaction. The Bitcoin ETF was not approved yet, but the SEC is not appealing the decision by the court. So the best news I got is out on Twitter. So trust it if you want to trust it. But these automated tweets right here coming 2, 3, 4 minutes ago, whatever it was. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will not be appealing the court decision on Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. So that's the best I got in terms of Bitcoin ETF at the moment. Is that? Let's see if anybody else is posting anything right now. That's an ad. All right, so that's still the best I got, man. Coming out a couple of minutes ago. I haven't seen any headlines out on Google just yet, but it seems as though we've got no appeal and that we could have a decent weekend for Bitcoin coming up here, guys. I hope we see a very decent weekend for cryptocurrency. Cha-ching! It's payday, baby. Made it on. What's up? Still no bull run. Hope for ETF approval. Suzuki. We don't have an ETF approval yet, but we certainly don't have an ETF appeal out there. That's a good sign. See my Bitcoin buying some. There you go, Tim, man. Buy whatever you want with Bitcoin ripping like this. Even the Super Bowl winning teams take at least one loss, Stark. That they do, man. Can't sign off yet. Can't abandon us. Never. I got a couple minutes left. CoinMarketCap doesn't show that. Neither does Coinbase. Let's see what we got, guys. Bitcoin jumping up right here. 26,953. Let's jump over to CoinMarketCap. See where we're at on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. This is the one. This is the one. Bitcoin jumping to 26,955. So the numbers are similar. You're seeing a jump up in price on CoinMarketCap right now. CoinMarketCap sitting at 26,960. The price is showing 26,951 right there. Weeble showing 26,950. So price does seem to be on in terms of what I'm seeing on CoinMarketCap and what you're seeing on Weeble right there. You got a nice spike going on, back up above 27,000 almost, and Bitcoin throwing some green lines, man. Looking good at the moment, and I hope it stays good. Hey, jumping prices. Bot VC, absolutely. And it's looking good, man. 26.6 on Coinbase. Coinbase might be lagging, Moji. Hopefully Coinbase can get their act together if it is lagging. Let's come back down to the markets. Coinbase Exchange should be showing the correct price right here. 26.9 there. So Coinbase actually might be lagging a little bit, man. And I don't know if it is or not, but Coinbase Exchange is showing the correct price down here on CoinMarketCap. Everything's showing about 26,009, which is good to go. 26,990, touching 27,000, ladies and gentlemen. Looking good, looking good, looking green. So, heck's about to break loose. Loose. Got it. Never trust the feds. Yeah, exactly, Dark Bro. Don't trust the feds with anything, man. Chart on Discord was right. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's get started, Bree guy. I was asked before you noticed when Bitcoin was going up. Yes, you were, Giovanni. Yes, you were. And I'm glad you guys, whoever was asking about what the effect is going to be on the price action, this is the initial reaction, right? We're seeing some excitement surrounding this decision here. From there, we haven't seen any money actually flow in yet. So keep that in mind. We haven't even seen any money flow in. I hope we start to see a lot of money flowing in, man. If you guys are looking to do some, I guess, trades or leverage trades, be careful with it. But Bitcoin's going on a nice run right now. Shiba Inu coin going on a nice run. You're going to see Doge going on a nice run. Absolutely. Ethereum going on a nice run. Everything is going to show some excitement. I would love it if this action continued on. I really would. We all waiting for that bull market now. Any day now. Any day. Roulette wheel. I hope so, man. Maybe Roulette will be able to afford to sub. That would be beautiful if Roulette Wheel could afford to subscribe to the channel. Let's go! Just hit over 27,000 on Coinbase, 27,000 plus on Webull right now, $27,080. Let's get started. I love these gains, man. Looking real good. 26,925 now. Very nice. What's Bitcoin Cash doing? BCH. Bitcoin Cash up 2%, $218. Nice on the daily. What's the minute chart look like? Rolling, man. Going from 215 to 218 right there. Decent gain on Bitcoin Cash. Throwing a little purple line on the screen. Is Bitcoin throwing a little purple line on the screen? Hopefully we have nothing but gains all weekend long, man. Shib's alive again. Shib is alive again, dude. This is beautiful to me to finally see some price action. Oh my gosh. 27.1 on Bitcoin. Back above 700 on Shiba Inu coin. Finally, man. I just want Shiba to blow up. That's my main concern. I want Shiba to blow up too. That would be beautiful, man. If Shiba Inu coin blew up, I would love it. Have a great weekend, peeps. It is past 5 o'clock, guys. Seriously, enjoy the price action. Crypto's moving up right now. I don't know if it's going to last all weekend long. I don't know if it's going to be something that continues on tomorrow, next week, and so on. There's still a lot of concerns going on across the entire globe, but this price action right here looks excellent at the moment. Guys, get your names in the chat. We got some shout-outs going on. Watch the videos on loop all weekend long. Video views are still extremely low. Appreciate all of you guys for all of the support. Always, man. We'll do these shout-outs, and we'll be back this evening with videos. Bender, man. Enjoy your weekend, Moji. Next Level, Suzuki. See you later, Moji. Tim, Next Level, Suzuki. Giovanni, enjoy your weekend, man. Moji, have a great one. Dark Bro, congratulations to your family. I hope that kid is okay. Everything's going to work out, man. And no stress, no concerns. Nothing but greatness for you guys all weekend long and into the weeks or even months. Whatever it takes for you guys to find that peace and know that everything's okay. I know you're going to get it, man. Old Rounder, see you later. Next Level, Tim, enjoy your weekend. Roulette Wheel, Suzuki, Bender, have a great day. Bronson, once again, man, congratulations on another absolutely perfect trade. Giovanni, enjoy your weekend, man. Gorilla, the famous ones. Frank, Moji, Bronson, peace out to you. Next Level, Suzuki, Tim, enjoy it. All of you guys know what time it is. Giovanni, you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.